So first, let me show you the problem. As you can see, I'm trying to install a Python package using pip. The package I'm using here is called requests, but honestly it could be almost any package. When I run the command, instead of installing the package, Kali Linux throws an error that says externally managed environment. At first, this looks confusing and a lot of beginners think something is broken. But don't worry, nothing is actually wrong with your system. So how do we fix it? The recommended solution is to create something called a virtual environment. This command creates a new virtual environment called myenv. You can actually name it whatever you want, but I'm using myenv for this tutorial. After running the command, the virtual environment has been created successfully. The next step is to activate it. So I'm going to run the activation command shown on the screen. Once it's activated, look at the beginning of the terminal. You'll notice that it now shows the name of the virtual environment. This is how you know you're currently working inside that environment instead of the system Python installation. Now let's try the package installation again. I'm going to run the exact same pip install command. And this time, as you can see, there is no error. The package starts downloading normally and installs successfully. So the virtual environment solved the problem. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly. I'm going to run the same install command one more time. And now the terminal says requirement already satisfied. This means the package is already installed inside the virtual environment and everything is working exactly as it should. So whenever you run into the externally managed environment error in Kali Linux, the easiest fix is to create and activate a virtual environment before installing Python packages. This is also the method officially recommended by Kali Linux and Python developers, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial.